I'm Tanisha Jain. I'm originally from Banswara, Rajasthan, and I have been working in customer support experience from the past 2-3 years. And I started my journey with 99 acres in customer experience team. And right now, I am with Reelo in a similar job role. So we usually used to support customers and help them out with all their queries and everything. We were always looking for a solution, right, that could help us manage customer communication in a much more organized and a efficient way, right? So as a number of support requests increased and it become more difficult, to track everything properly across different channels, right? So we always wanted a platform that could be simplify that handling everything like customer response timing and make overall support process smoother for each and every team and for the customer as well. We have find BoldDesk in our job role where is a customer support experience and stood out as how simple and user friendly the platform is. One major benefit that has definitely been better organized of customer queries and tickets first of all, and second is it helped us improve our response time basically, so because everything become easier to track and prioritize. And the third one I can say is it improved collaboration within the team since everyone could stay updated customer issues and the smoother and efficient way to communicate and help them resolve their each and every problem. See, now the process feels much more structured and manageable, so we can easily track customers and easily prioritize them and their request and then mentor smoother communication overall we can say. And it has made daily operation more efficient and it helped us to provide a better support experience. I would recommend BoldDesk to many businesses as well that are looking for a reliable and easy to use customer support platform. It simplifies workflows very efficiently and improve efficiencies as well, that helps team manage customer communication more efficiently. So I would really suggest more businesses as well to use this BoldDesk.